Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Unique Eduvision.
Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well and safe at your places. Hey, this is Manpreet. Today I'm here with you with a new topic, that is Adjectives, Degrees of Comparison, in which we will discuss about the 3 degrees of comparison. First is positive, second is comparative, third is superlative. Before discussing my topic, I would like to discuss the 3 sentences. From that sentences, you will come to know the difference of positive, comparative and superlative. First is, Rajesh is the tallest of the 3. Here you can see that I use the EST form of 3. Means I am comparing the Rajesh with more than 2 personalities. In the second sentence, Vijay is taller than Ajay. I am comparing 2 personalities here. That's why I use comparative degree, that is taller, ER form. And third sentence is, Ajay is tall. In this sentence, I am not comparing Ajay with anyone. So there is no comparison in this sentence. Now, here you understand that if there is no comparison, it comes under positive. It means Ajay is tall. There is no comparison with anyone. And Ajay is just describing about its own quality. So, here Ajay is tall is a positive degree sentence. Second, we discussed that Vijay is taller than Ajay. We are comparing 2 personalities. If we compare 2 groups, 2 things, 2 persons, then it comes under comparative degree of an adjective. Here I discuss the third sentence, that is, Rajesh is the tallest of the 3. It means Rajesh is comparing with more than 2 personalities. When we discuss about more than 2 personalities or more than 2 things, more than 2 groups, and we're comparing that groups, that comes under superlative degree of an adjective. So this is the topic of today's discussion. So, adjectives, degree of comparison, positive, comparative, superlative. If someone asks you, how many types of degree of comparison are there? So, you just have to answer in simple words that positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Now, further we will discuss about the definitions. What is the meaning of positive, comparative and superlative? So, let's start. Positive degree. This degree of an adjective is used when no comparison is made. If there is no comparison, it comes under positive degree. Example, Veena is very tall. Here I am not comparing Veena with anyone. So there is no comparison. If there is no comparison, you can say it's a positive degree of an adjective. Next one is comparative degree of an adjective. This degree of an adjective is used when we compare 2 persons or things. Here simply means when we are comparing the 2 personalities, 2 things, 2 groups, it comes under comparative degree of adjective. Example, Veena is taller than Reena. Here I am comparing Veena with Reena. And I have used taller, the comparative degree of an adjective. So when we compare the 2 personalities, 2 things, and we are talking about 2 people, so that comes under comparative degree. Third one is superlative degree. This degree of an adjective is used when we compare more than two persons or things. When we talk about more than two personalities, groups, and things, that comes under superlative degree when we are comparing these things. Example, Veena is the tallest of all her sisters. It means Veena is the tallest person among all the sisters. So, Veena is comparing with more than two personalities. We are comparing more than two persons. It comes under superlative degree. Furthermore, here I have write for you the few words. That is, you have to write in comparative and superlative degrees. Tall, taller, tallest. You can see here, while writing comparative degree, I am using ER word. And if I am writing the superlative, I use EST. So this is also a hint to recognize if there is a no ER and ES, it means that degree is positive, and where we find ER form, that's a comparative, and if there is a no ER, there is a no anything, and you have EST, then it comes under superlative. So let's start. Tall, taller, tallest. White, wider, widest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Short, shorter, shortest. Many, more, most. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Mad, madder, maddest. Young, younger, youngest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Bad. Here you can see I haven't used ER, and you can see ER at the place of ER I use worse. Bad is changes to be worse in comparative form and worst in superlative form. So I will ask you at the end of the video, you have to just comment in the comment box by writing the answers of these words. Okay. Now I have discussed about the positive, comparative and superlative degree. So here's the time to use in sentences. So use as and make sentences using the following hints. You have to use as / as in sentence. The first sentence is the boy naughty a monkey. These are the hints to make a sentence. So answer is the boy is as naughty as a monkey. Sachin bright his father. Sachin is as bright as his father. Jyoti busy a bee. Jyoti is as busy as bee. The same here for Vishal intelligent Sham. So answer is Vishal is as intelligent as Sham. Next is Bhanu tall Jia. Bhanu is as tall as Jia. We are not comparing. It's a positive form. It's a positive degree of comparison. Okay. The next one is using the following hints. Write the sentences in comparative degree. It means you have to use ER form. Some words are not recognized by the same word. For example, important, intelligent. In that case, you have to use more, most. Okay, to make it comparative and superlative degree. So first is Sohana intelligent Tia. You have to make it comparative degree. So Sohana is more intelligent than Tia. I already told you that some words are not carrying the EST or ST. They just carry the more and most word before that. Tanu pretty Swati. Tanu is prettier than Swati. Air journey, comfortable train journey. Air journey is more comfortable than train journey. Here we are comparing the one thing with another thing. That's why we use comparative degree. We are just comparing the two things only. So next one is gold, expensive, silver. Gold is comparing with silver. Gold is more expensive than silver. Today, warm, yesterday. Today is warmer than yesterday. You can see that in all the sentences I use comparative degree because we are comparing only two things. Next one is you have to make it superlative degree. So you have to use EST form. Blue whale, large animal on earth. Blue whale is the largest animal on the earth. You can see here I convert the large word into largest. Mount Everest, highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Venus, hot planet in the solar system. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Himani, bright girl in our class. Himani is the brightest girl in our class. You can see that Himani is comparing with all the students in the class, not with one person. So here you are using superlative degree. Jyoti, good singer in school. Jyoti is the best singer in this school. Because we are comparing Jyoti with the whole school. So here you have to put superlative degree of an adjective for comparison. Okay? The next one is hint. There are few rules to recognize whether you have to use superlative, whether you have to use comparative or the or then. If you are not finding in the blank, then you have to no change. It means rules first. Rule first means the. If there is the in the sentence before the blank, if you are having the filling the blanks and you have to fill it with the proper degrees or correct degrees of comparison, so in that case you just recognize the three rules. First is the. If there is a the before the blank, then you have to use superlative degree, in which you have to use EST. And the second one is then. If there is a then after the blank, so you have to use ER form with the bracket words. If there is a no the and then in the sentence, so you just have to use the bracket given word as it is. So let's practice these rules. In this, you have to fill in the blanks with the correct degrees of adjective given in brackets. So Neelam is the dash singer in the school. You can see that before the blank there is a the. So bracket word is good. It going to be changed in superlative degree. So it becomes best. A giraffe is dash than an elephant. It's a comparison. You can find it out the then word here. You find a then word after the blank. It means you have to use ER form. So tall becomes taller. Today is the colder day than it was yesterday. Cold changes to be colder because there is a then in the sentence. This is a good book. Because there is a no the and there is a no then in a sentence, so you simply use good bracket word. Veena has dash friend in school. Many is there and there is a no the and then in sentence. It means you have to use same word in the bracket given. So many as it is come in blank. So let's discuss more about this one. Same thing. Your handwriting has become dash than it was earlier. You have to convert bad into a superlative degree because comparative degree, because there is a then after the blank, so it becomes to be worse. She is dash than her sister. There is also than, so you have to use smarter er form. Deepa is the. You can see here before the blank there is the word, so you have to use est. Smartest it becomes. This work is more important than that. You can see there is then at the end of the blank, so you have to use more word because important. Today is the coldest day of the season. Cold becomes to be coldest because before the blank there is the. I hope you like this video and you understand what is the difference between three forms of adjectives degree of comparison. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Till then, bye bye. Be safe.